Hi, we're here at Stefanini's first hackathon with Anthony, who's going to tell us a little bit about his experience today.
What I did learn is that I'm smarter than I think I am.
Like I heard Anthony say earlier, was just you recognize that you're smarter than yourself. Just have an opportunity to do things that you normally wouldn't do on a day-to-day job, just to get that brain flowing in the creative spirit. That's it, innovation.
I had a good time. This was a good experience. Working with a team.
I would say that much more than connecting with the technologies is to give to our employees a chance to develop themselves in new ways, right? New paths to get connected with new opportunities.
I really hope that they find that passion about coding. Personally, coding is very important for me. It changed my life, gave me a whole career. So I really hope for this new generation to come and to learn and use it on the daily basis and maybe get some opportunities out of it.
I was completely amazed. The creativity, the collaboration, our slogan of co-creating, this couldn't be a better example of that concept. I'm amazed at the talent that we have, the hidden talent within the organization.
This was a great experience. It was a great opportunity. I would do it again. I'd do it again next week.